Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your headphones don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, at the right ear cup, at the bottom of the right ear cup, we have power button. You need to press and hold it to turn off your headphones. Here we go. Now your headphones are disconnected from your phone, so then we need to turn on it to reconnect it, and it can fix maybe this problem. So press and hold it. Here we go, and now your headphones will reconnect to your phone. You can check it in the settings. If you need it, we have connection. Here we go. Now, check it, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, the second one is make sure that you are tapped at the touch control. So the touch area located at the right ear cup, right here we have this touch area, and make sure that you double press on it, or maybe press and hold, or slide up, slide down, slide forward, slide backward. And if you're sure that you make it correctly, the last one, what I recommended to check, maybe this touch area is disabled. So open Sony Sound Connect application. If you add your headphones to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Scroll down and then go to device settings. Then click at the system. And right here in the third line, as you can see, right here we have touch sensor control panel. And if your slider have empty background like me, it means that it's disabled, and you need to enable it by just press one time on it. And if it have colorful background, it means that it's enabled. So now check it, maybe it fixes your problem. Also, I recommended if it was disabled and you enable it, also set voice assistant if you want to call it, by just press right here at the settings icon, and as you can see right here it do not use, so just click at the voice assistant function and then click done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!